All right, today on Small Town Texas Barbecue, we're cooking it up with the good charcoal, making some pork belly with a peach balsamic glaze. It's gonna be awesome. Picked up a couple of items yesterday at the Coleman Olive Oil Companies. We've got some house blend extra virgin olive oil and also some peach balsamic vinegar, which is going to go great with my pork belly today. So should be awesome. There it is. All right, start out with an HEB pork belly. We just got a small one, and then we seasoned it with West Texas rub, Judge's Choice, pork and chicken. Left it in the fridge for about 24 to 28 hours. And then we got our grill going with the good charcoal, a little bit of oak, hickory, apple, and cherry wood in there for the smoke and the heat, and this went on for a good while. We were running between 250 to 275 degrees the entire time, and we just let this get some color on it. And then what we are looking for as we continue through the cook is to come up with a probe tenderness. Now, while all that's finishing up, of course, we're going to make our glaze with the Coleman Olive Oil Company Peach Balsamic Vinegar Glaze. This is the just the way to do it. Go ahead and get your spoon, and once it sticks to the spoon, it is perfectly done. Now this is probe tender. We leave it in the pan to rest for a little bit, and then we get ready to go ahead and cut into it and make sure that everything is just perfect. And this one did come out. One of my buddies that I gave a little bit of this to said it was perfectly rendered. I really like it, and of course it looks great with the good charcoal, West Texas rub. Everything was just about perfect on this. Now, it's not the first time I've made a pork belly, but it is the first time that I've made this kind of glaze, and I really enjoyed it. I had a few pieces of this, and I tell you, that sweetness, the acidity, all of that's in this glaze is just perfect to offset the smokiness and everything else that's in that pork. So you guys should go ahead and try the seasonings, try that balsamic vinegar from the Coleman Olive Oil Company. You guys will love that stuff. Go ahead and get a taste of this and feast your eyes on this last shot. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And thanks so much for sticking with me all this time, guys. Love ya.